Lantana Heartland Really Red. Mulch at the bottom of the hole. Alfalfa meal. And I'm going to plant this lantana in the same level as the original soil level when I bought it. This plant is not perennial here in Oklahoma, but I think it's perennial in Texas. The flowers smell like pineapple. I want to eat pineapple now. Press down the soil so there is no air pocket. Flame Proof Violet Charm Flux. It is an upright perennial, meaning it comes back year after year. Water keep moist in the first year, once per week after, when the plant is established. Hardiness. It is hardy from zones 4 upwards. The average mature size, height 15 inches, width 18 inches. Monthly fertilization. Alfalfa meal. Triple 13 fertilizer. Compost. More alfalfa meal. The grass needs mowing. I'm going to harvest this Napa cabbage. It's quite hot these days. Let's check the zucchini. Oh, there's a big one. Not yet ready. Ready to harvest. This peach is soft, so it's ripe. Another one. Oh, I broke the branch. So sorry.